Hi guys, welcome to our channel Cricket Madness. Thanks for your immense support guys. Please like, share and subscribe our channel Cricket Madness. I am going to start up with this smiley ball. See this smiley ball, always smiling. I am very jealous of you. See, I am going to just crush it and I am going to leave it. Still it is smiling. See, this is our life. Some people may crush us. If you don't care about those people, our life would be like the smiley ball. They will be returned to the smile. Those who crush will get their karma. Because there is a quote, karma is a boomerang. It will surely hit on them. We should ignore them and just a smile. That's enough. God will see. Today I thought of asking few questions and start my video. First question, whom do you think is the best fielder in the current generation? For me, it's Jadeja. I want your views also in the comments. Second, whom do you think is the best fielder of all time? For me, it's Mohammad Kaif. He's a fantabulous fielder. You may say it's John T, but for me, it's Mohammad Kaif. Comment your comments below in the box. Okay. Third question, there is a tennis ball rules like we should not stand 6 members along with the bowler in the leg side. So it is there in the professional cricket. There are many umpires in the local tournaments who are mixing and matching with those rules with the professional cricket. For me, I say like the leg side of that behind the square leg, that should not be more than 2 fielders. That is the actual rules of cricket. But I want you guys to comment on it because many are not getting this rule. So I want you guys to comment and clear me and clear all umpires who are like giving those wrong decisions like no ball, those things and all. Guys, today we are going to see about the fielding placements. See, this fielding placement entirely I am going to concentrate on the right-handed batsman. You guys don't get confused for the left-handed batsman, it's just vice versa. To start, before starting this video, I may say for this video is only for those beginners and who doesn't know cricket, or you can show to your children also, so they may also get what are those fielding sets and those things and all. Let's go to the video. Come on. Guys, please imagine whatever I am showing in the picture is a ground. The center area, which is a pitch where it is of 22 yards. In meters, if you see, 20.12 long. And it is of 3.05 wide. And if you see in feet, it is 10 feet. And there are 3 stumps in each side, 6 altogether. If you see, its height is of 28 inches. There will be 2 pieces of wood called as bails. It will be above the stems. It is nothing but when the bowler bowls, if it hits the stems, the bail should fall. If not, the batsman is not out. That's why I will always say cricket is a batsman favorites game. If you munker, see, you will going to criticize the bowler. See, batsman coming out of pitch before bowler bowls, what that is called as. So let's leave that and come to this information. So the cricket ball weight is of 163 grams and circumference is about 22.19 centimeter. If you see those traditional type of slips, 4 slips, that is oftenly seen only in the test cricket. Sometimes you can see in ODI also if the opponents play bad. If you say slip, my mind goes to the best fielders of India like Dravid, PVS Lakshman, Sehwag, Sachin. Now let's go and see about the gully fielding. Only the quickest fielder can stand there. From India it is Jadeja. It is like 45 degree from the corner of the pitch. There are another 2 fielding set which is silly point and silly mid-off, where you will oftenly see that in test cricket. If your captain says in the local tournament to stand there, please don't stand there without protection, because it is a very dangerous position. And there is another term called as a fly slip. I have never heard that, but let me talk about that. It is between the third man and the behind the slips. It is like a catching area. Now let's see about the third man who is standing behind the stumps. where I will make my bowler to stand there so he can take rest to bowl the next over, or I will make the weakest fielder to stand there because going catch is very rare there. And then let's see about deep backward point, deep cover, deep extra cover, and long off. If you see inside the circle, there is a backward point, and there is a cover, extra cover. If you say about cover, it's only Raina, who is a fantabulous fielder in the cover, and comes to mid off. Now let's see about the leg side field set. There is a short leg and silly mid on. You often see that field sets in the test cricket. The short leg you will be seeing Chatishwar Pujara or Mayank Agarwal will be standing there for India. Next it is leg slip. The leg slip most oftenly our Thala Cool MSD will be using those fielders to stand there. Next it is leg gully. If you see, there is a mid on who is standing inside the 30-yard circle, and mid wicket, a square leg will be standing parallel to the stumps. Next it is backward square leg. Next it is fine leg when the batsman leg glances it just to save those force or a catchable thing, he will be standing in the fine leg. Then it is deep fine leg to avoid force to go to the boundary, and long leg, deep square leg, deep mid wicket, cow corner we will say as country 2, then long on. Guys, today we have seen about all the field sets in the cricket. If I left any field sets, please comment below. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe our channel Crick Madness. Thank you.